So check this out. In order to reignite your life with enthusiasm, you must break free from the grips of fear, chaos, doubt, and worry. We are here to remind you that you have the power to choose a different path, a path of vibrant enthusiasm and joy. It's time to give yourself the gift of reigniting your life. By registering now, you are taking a bold step towards embracing a life filled with mission, purpose, and inspiration. Leave behind the shackles of negativity and allow yourself to be guided towards a more fulfilling and vibrant existence.
Together, we will embark on a journey of self-discovery and personal growth. Through powerful tools, inspiration, and support, you'll learn to let go of limiting beliefs and embrace the limitless possibilities waiting for you. Don't let another day pass by without embracing the potential that lies within you. Register now and join us on this transformative path towards living life enthusiastically. It is time to create the life you truly deserve. We look forward to having you in this virtual retreat. Click on the link below.